Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change the project options. In the topic project, you can find a few more topics like the default settings. Here you can change the VAT rate in percent. In the selling margins, you can change the selling margins for every single item or for all groups at once. These selling margins will automatically calculated in the quotation. In the currency exchange rate, you can select your project currency. In the topic reactivated articles, you can find articles that have been distributed by IBC Solar but are not available in the IBC Solar shop anymore, like here the solar modules and inverters. Because the list is pretty long, you can search the items with an item number or the item description.